Wi-Tek's outdoor CCTV solution is designed to provide reliable surveillance in even the most challenging environments. This solution is powered by wireless transmitters and outdoor PoE switches, ensuring seamless connectivity and power delivery. With support for point-to-point and point-to-multipoint network architectures, the system offers flexible deployment options for various surveillance needs. Our solution ensures stable performance in remote areas or urban environments, even in harsh or unpredictable weather conditions. Built for durability and efficiency, Wi-Tek's outdoor CCTV solution provides continuous monitoring and security, giving our customers peace of mind in any situation.